Facebook has added a feature that can automatically move to the next reel for you. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the Reels icon to open the Reels section. Now, open any reel and let it start playing normally. While watching the reel, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot menu icon. This will open a menu with extra viewing options for reels. From the list, find the option called Scroll to Next Reel automatically. Tap on it once to enable the feature. After turning it on, Facebook will automatically move to the next reel once the current video finishes playing, so you can keep watching videos hands-free without needing to swipe up manually every time. This feature is especially useful if you like watching multiple reels in a row, or if you're just relaxing and don't want to keep touching your screen. And don't worry, you can always turn this option off later by following the same steps again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Facebook tips and tutorials.